chocolatey obsession taking over social media. One very specific chocolate bar has everyone drooling. The Dubai chocolate bar is loaded with crunch and pistachio cream, all wrapped in a glossy chocolate. And my next guest is bringing the buzzy chocolate bar right to the Studio 5 kitchen, Chocolatier Kelsey Watson. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
I love that you're going to show us how to make this, but first, tell us what is the Dubai chocolate bar and what's all the hype about?
Okay, so the Dubai chocolate bar was first made famous in 2021.
Oh, a while ago.
Yes, quite a few years ago by a chocolatier over in Dubai, fixed dessert chocolatier.
Okay.
And TikTok kind of took it by storm over the last couple of years.
Yeah.
It involves all of the unique flavors kind of that you get from Dubai. You're getting your pistachio, you're getting a shredded phyllo dough, you're getting a great texture that you don't always find in chocolate. So
yeah,
it's really taken the world by storm and it's so yummy.
It's all over. Okay, and you're gonna show us how to make it. So we're gonna start with the chocolate shell, right?
Yeah, so we are starting at the very beginning. You can either use a silicone mold or what I prefer is polycarbonate molds. I brought these egg molds today to kind of make it Easter.
Yeah, what a great idea.
Yeah, and the best, I just brought, these are edible gold leaf. And it's just an easy way.
Fancy, I love this.
Easy way to make it fancy. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna pull off your edible gold leaf.
Oh, and it kind of just breaks on its own.
It just breaks on its own, and then just take a clean brush, and you're just gonna brush that right in there. And the chocolate will stick it down.
And you just do like a little bit? You're not covering the whole thing, or what do you like to do?
However much you want on that, or you can leave it plain. It just gives it a little pop. You can do it throughout, and you can just find those on Amazon, so really good.
Okay, easy.
You can go through, sorry, I should have done that first. You're just gonna polish off your molds.
Okay.
Make sure you don't have any dust in there, water. You don't
call,
want any dust or water. And you wanna use a good quality chocolate.
Okay, and what kind of chocolate are you using?
So, a good quality chocolate that a lot of people have access to is going and getting the Trader Joe's Pound Plus bars.
Yes, that's so good.
Those are pretty accessible to people.
Yeah.
It's great. I love to work with chocolate that I get at either Orson Gigi or at Baker's CNC and get a great, chocolate that you can temper. But the Pound Plus bar is actually a great alternative if tempering is a scary thing for you.
So it is for some of us.
So we're just gonna start here we're gonna fill our mold. And to do that, we're just gonna pipe that chocolate in.
Oh, you're filling it all the way.
We are gonna fill it all the way in to start. So we'll just do one little row here to kind of give the idea.
Okay.
You're gonna pat out all of your air bubbles, and then we're just gonna flip it.
Oh, I was like, where's all that chocolate gonna go?
This is
we're
not
just dumping it out.
So we're gonna do that. Scrape off our excess there. This is just my scraper.
Oh, okay. I use a similar one for cake. But I like that yours has got the bigger handle.
Yes, I like my big scraper. So then we're just gonna let that sit, and that chocolate's gonna set up really nicely.
Beautiful. Now talk to me about the filling, this crunchy, pistachio-filled filling that we're adding in. What is this?
So we have three basic ingredients here. We have a pistachio cream. This one's a homemade pistachio cream. It's really easy to make at home. You just have to have a good blender of pistachios. And this is pistachios and white chocolate just in a 2-to-1 ratio with pistachios to white chocolate. You can adjust the white chocolate for how sweet you want it to be.
Oh, okay.
I'm a sweet person,
I love that.
So I go 2-to-1.
Is there an option to buy it if we don't want to go homemade?
Definitely. So you can just buy a pistachio cream. It's readily available on Amazon and easy to get.
Yeah, okay.
So that's our first ingredient here. And for this, we're gonna put in 100 grams of pistachio cream. So we're just gonna mix that in. Next, we have 15 grams of tahini. Tahini is pretty readily available.
Yeah, I feel like that's at all grocery stores now.
All grocery stores, you can find that. That's gonna give you a nice sesame seed flavor in there.
Oh, okay.
And then this is shredded phyllo dough. So what we're gonna do with this is you're gonna roast it in your oven first at 400 for about 5 to 8 minutes.
Can you buy it pre-shredded?
So it's pre-shredded, it's just not toasted when you buy it.
Got it.
So you wanna toast it with a little bit of butter and sugar. And once
Why does it remind me of shredded wheat cereal?
It totally looks like shredded wheat cereal. It's gonna play with your mind a little bit when you do it. When it comes out of the oven, just throw it in a bag.
You can save it. Oh, crunch it up.
Crunch it up so that it gets to be a really good,
And then you're just throwing that all together.
We're just mixing this all together in there. And that's gonna be your filling.
Okay, show us how to
now
fill
we have
one.
our
This
filling.
looks so good. And how we're gonna top it off.
We're gonna give ourselves a pretty generous cut on this because
perfect.
we've got the phyllo dough in there. When you're gonna fill it, you're just gonna push it in. And the main thing is that you don't want to go all the way to the top.
You don't want to.
It's very tempting to want to fill that all the way and get all the goodness, but you won't. You still have to add chocolate on top of it. So you got to leave yourself a little bit of
a little space. I'm going to rush you because I want to bring you over to show me how to finish this, like how to add it. Because you can see these ones have been set. We did the filling in there.
We have the set on there.
How are we going to just finish
fill
this
them?
up?
It's very similar to how we did it at the beginning. We are just going to pour our chocolate on top.
Oh, an overlap. We're messy. I like that idea.
Yes, we are just kind of messy with this.
And I love too, you're also selling these in your shop, right?
Yes, so I
we are a little timid about making our own chocolate. We have an option of still getting that.
Yes, you can go to KW Chocolates.
Okay.
And I will have them, and they're online, and there's delivery and pickup options. So you're just gonna pat that so it kind of does it.
Okay.
Do a nice little swipe.
Yes.
And as you let that sit, sorry, getting chocolate all over. Chocolate is messy.
Yeah.
After it's set,
let's see the flip. We gotta get the flip. Oh, look, you can see the gold leaf too. That's so beautiful.
Oh, we have all of them but one.
Oh my gosh, wow. Those came out gorgeous. All right, Kelsey.
So there we have those.
These are so amazing. I'm digging in during the break. So great to have you.
Thanks so much for having me.